Okay, first time trying out the little, shit, what was it? 6x24 Trek sluice with the mini dredge mat. Brought some cons home from a camping trip. Figured I'd try it out. Pretty good. I got the little 6-inch header box, 2000 GPH pump, and the little DeWalt adapter there, adjustable. So far, so good. Pretty good little sluice here. I mostly got it for some backpacking trips. I didn't want to bring that huge 12x47, so. All right, looks pretty good. Let's see, we got like 3 gallons, maybe 4 gallons of stuff to run. We'll see what we can get out of there. Okay, nothing to write home about, but no, there's some gold in there. Oh well, it was cool. It was nice to try it out and see if it works. Not every time can be great, right? I still enjoy it, even if I get no gold. Alrighty, I'm out.